Okay. Hi Claudia, how you doing today? My name is Nathan Bruce. I'm going to show you 3 ways today on how we can increase your traffic online. Okay, the first thing I'm going to talk to you about is citations. A citation is simply your business name, your address, and your phone number. Okay, this is not you guys, but VP is actually showing up when I search for your business. I also cannot find your website, so if you have a website, definitely show it to me and I'll look up some numbers of yours. All right, but definitely have a citation, and your citation usually goes in your Google My Business page, which is this rectangle right here. All right. When I looked up plumbers Yonkers, New York, this is what popped up. We've got Google Guaranteeds. We got the Google Map Pack. All right, and that's something that we strive to have. Google Guaranteeds are better than regular Google ads because people have a lot of ad blockers on their devices. So I tend to like to stay away from those. And then businesses in the Google Map Pack tend to get most of the calls, okay? So that's what pops up on that homepage of Google, and that's where we kind of want to get your business at the end of the day. And then we scroll down to directories. Directories are simply websites that let businesses put their information on there. So Angie's List does this, Yelp, Facebook, Yellow Pages. What else does this? LinkedIn, stuff like that. All right. So that's something that we could get you more on. I seen you do the Facebook already. We could keep going with that, and then we get into the what do I want to call these? The organic listings. All right, that's where the businesses actually start to pop up. And the second thing I want to talk to you about today is backlinks. And backlinks have a lot to do with the organic section. Backlinks are simply other websites that have ads in them to point to your website to bring in more potential customers, therefore ranking you on the front page of Google. Okay. So again, because you guys don't have a website, I didn't see your website pop up on the home first page of Google. All right. Same thing with HVAC. I wanted to look it up. I wanted to see if I could find you guys, but I didn't. All right. So I'm going to take a look at 2 competitors of yours today, one in plumbing and one in HVAC, just to kind of show you some numbers and possible layouts for websites that we could do for you, okay? All right, we'll build you a nice website, better than these, because I don't think these guys have enough content. All right, I like to see around 1,500 words on their homepage, and here they do not. So the third and final thing I wanted to talk with you about today is content. And content is anything that is on your website except, well, including, I should say, even what the pictures are saved as. So when Google goes through your website after it's built, what they want to do is take everything and start ranking you, okay? Showing you in front of more customers. And when we save pictures as the business name, which they did not do here, that's what ranks you more in Google's eyes. All right? So they have to do better with that. And then we have this is Ahrefs. I pay for this monthly. And they pay Google for these numbers. All right. And I'm kind of going to go over them with you real quick. The URL rating, they have a 21 out of a 100 point scale. So this is how much trust that Google has in their business. All right. And the domain rating is how much power that Google gives their website. So they have a 0.2 out of 100. So they have a lot of work to do. So 40 referring domains give them 5.31 thousand backlinks when they've had historically almost 10,000, but these are the ones that are live, okay? And I could tell that they're not helping out the business at all because it's keeping this number so low, okay? Another thing I want to touch on is the keywords real quick. They're bringing in 41 people a month to their website, so not a lot, and their traffic value, they're sitting at $386 a month, bringing in through their website. So keywords are super powerful. All right, a keyword can be anything anyone types in Google, like I did with plumbers Yonkers, New York. See, they got it here. They're ranking for it, plumbers Yonkers. The volume is how many people monthly are searching for that keyword. Okay, and we eventually want to get to the first position for each keyword because that's what's going to put us in front of more customers. All right. So We can use your business name as keywords. Again, ranking for these same keywords that are working for these businesses, we're going to use for you. All right. So they're not really ranking well in any area. This is probably their best. 4th position for S. Farrell Plumbing. And you know that makes sense because it's their brand name. So this is Right Temp NYC. All right. So this is another competitor of yours. Their website's better than the last one. See how they have more words? They're kind of explaining more about what they do. This is actually a pretty good website. All right. So if we created something, it'd probably look more like this. These are their numbers. They're doing a lot better. Okay, a lot better. These numbers are a little higher. Their URL rating is sitting on a 37, which is better, but they have, again, more work to do. The domain rating is a 29. Again, that's how much power Google gives to them. And that number is only at a 29 because their backlinks are probably really spammy still. Okay, they're not helping them out at all. They've had 64,000 in the past. All right, so their keywords, they're also ranking for a lot. They bring in a lot of people, almost 800 monthly, and they're bringing around $2,000 a month. So this keyword, this is the last thing I'm going to check out real quick. It kind of gives you an idea of what we could be ranking for. Top rated furnaces, best furnace. They're ranking first for furnace brands list. And what I wanted to talk about more in depth is just look at the volume numbers on some of these keywords. Like say we were ranking first for best gas furnace. That's 1,200 extra customers monthly that we can bring into our business. So that's even if we had like a 30, 40, 50% like close rate. That's still 400, 500, 600 customers a month extra that we could be having a lot of fun with. Okay, we'd be helping out as many people as possible, bringing in that revenue, hiring more people. Okay, because I know a lot of businesses are struggling with even hiring people, even keeping people in the business, and then they fall behind. So if we can do all these things right, oh my goodness, we're going to be beating our competition like crazy. All right, so I kind of want you guys to think about that more. All right, the sky's the limit. At the end of the day, you're the hero of your business, and I'm just the guy showing you a couple tips. All right, I have a lot of businesses that I'm talking to as well, and I treat my business like my baby. All right, I'm going to do whatever it takes to take care of that baby, and I think you should treat your business the same. All right, let's start that website. Let's get that Google My Business built. All right, let's start running some ads. Okay, whatever you want to do, whatever you think is going to help you guys get further, let's definitely talk about it more. Again, my name is Nathan Bruce. I'm going to leave my information in the email I send you. Please leave me some feedback. That would help me out a lot. If you'd like to work together, that'd be great. If not, definitely run off with these free tips that I shared with you today. A lot of good information here. You know, business owners have a lot of, what should I say? They're just very busy, you know, so they'd rather have somebody else who knows what they're talking about do this behind the scenes and really get their business amped up and ready to go. Okay, so definitely think about it. I appreciate it. Have a good one.